Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a small little haul with Doc Martens, Seek and Discover, and Boohoo. So let's get started. Okay, so I wanted to start off with the Doc Martens. They took about a week to get here. So let's go. So I'm they're gonna look like these. Very cute. They're like legit. Yep. I got the softy tee. I got it in kid size because I can still fit a kid size, and I'm usually a 6 in women, so I got a 5 in the US. So let's see how it looks and fits. That's what it looks like. Cool. Look, actually, how cute this is. Okay. Okay, so there's a zipper on the bottom, on the side, so easy to put my foot inside. Okay. Ooh. Okay, zip. I'm a true 6 in women's, and I got it in a size 5 in kids. My foot goes like literally right here, but I have like wiggle room. So if you think about it, you're gonna wear socks. So I'm gonna put on the other ones, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. How cute is that? Let me get closer. Cute. Very cute. Feels pretty comfortable. Yeah, they look really cute. I approve. You should get them. Okay, so these shoes, definitely, they're very comfortable. There's some wiggle room, so you'll probably have to wear thick socks. I have narrow feet, I should let you know. So like they're kind of bony in some way. So if you're a true 6, you should be fine, totally fine. They're like really cute. And of course I didn't pay full price for these. I had honey, I got some sort of discount. So these were like, I think, 60 maybe? I forget. I'll link it down below if you want. All right, so my second purchase is from Seek Discomfort, and it's by the Yes Theory boys. I absolutely adore them, love them, I'm obsessed with them. So, and I love their message. So when they had that like 1-year sale, I got on it. Boy. Okay, so the first one I got was their hat. It says Seek Discomfort. It's a dad hat. It's like a faded black, and the back is adjustable, and I have a small head, so I'm gonna have to adjust this. How do you adjust this? Do I not know how to adjust? I hope this is adjustable. Pretty sure it has to be. Well, anyways, all right, let's just try it. Look cute. Yeah. Now if it's just, when I figure out this, the adjusting, it's game over. Okay, because I look freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I look so cute. So if you ever see me wear this, it's a vibe. Okay. Okay, when I figure this out, yeah. I really hope this is adjustable because my head's really small. Does this snap or something? That is nice. Okay, so snapped it and it should fit now. Much better. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. All right, and then give you a free like chain, a little baggie. Cute. The chain, or is it a necklace, or is it a bracelet? This is a really long chain. It's a double chain. Hold on, I'll make it work. One sec. I like the necklace. The necklace is really cute. "10 years later, I will have this on." Okay. Okay. Alright, so the last one, I've been waiting for it to be restocked, and they like ended up putting it on sale, so I was like, yes! I got this in a extra small. Like it says, Seek Discomfort, super cute, but then I love the lightning bolts, but I also love the message on the sleeve, on the bottom sleeve. So it says, "The best things in life are outside your comfort zone." And I think that is what I like to live by. And I'm gonna try this on and wear this. Hold on. Okay, you're back. Okay, what do we think? Yes. It's so cute and comfy, and it fits pretty well for someone like me. I'm like 5'3", so like, and I normally don't wear a lot of, I don't really buy YouTubers merch or anything like that, but because their message means a lot to me, and just going outside your comfort zone. If you've never seen Yes Theory, I think you should definitely check them out. They're wild in like their adventures, and that's what I aspire to do in my life and in my fashion and everything. I think you should always try different things. And oh my god, yo, this is a fit. Yeah. Yes, oh my gosh. I'm just so happy I finally got this, because like, this is so me. Like the message, the vibe, everything. Ooh, if I ever find someone wearing this merch too, it's gonna be a party. Okay, so now we're gonna do our Boohoo unboxing. And oh, here it is. So the first one is a petite strappy bralette and mini. Oh, is this the 2-piece? I hope it is. Let's see. Okay. So it looks like this. Oh, it's a little see-through. Kind of. So I'd have to wear a black bra. And then this is the skirt. I already have an outfit in my mind, so I can't wait to try that on. Okay, so this is what the 2 pieces. I'm like 5'3", so let's see. Not bad. Oh my god, my pudge. But it looks pretty good. Well, it will stay, it does ride up. If I lower this down, but I actually wanted to cover my belly button, just showed like just my abs. But yeah, oh my god, I am so chunky. pretty good. This is definitely like more, you can probably wear this going out or like running errands or something like that. I'd probably pair these with some boots. But yeah, very cute. I like. And this is the Jumbo Rib Roll Neck Body. Size 6. I think that's an extra small. It's like a turtleneck, which I kind of want for winter. But yes, it's a bodysuit. And look at it. Ooh, stretchy. Okay, nice. This is the petite pleated tennis skirt. Yeah! I was waiting for this skirt for like the longest time. Okay, where the heck do I open this? Or not? Okay, so it looks like this, the tennis skirt. I hope it's not see-through because it's white, but it looks pretty good. Oh, I can't wait to style this on. Can't wait. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's see how it looks. What do you think? It's cute. I like this tennis skirt. It is white, so, but no biggie. Wow, if you have a butt, I probably don't recommend this because one whiff of the wind and it's game over. But I do love, it's like cute. And I like this turtleneck looking thing. It makes me like sleek and sophisticated. Yeah, so cute. Now, if you have a booty, this is probably not for us. But I'll be wearing shorts underneath anyways. But yeah, super cute. I can't wait to wear this with like a sweater. Actually, one moment. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, you know what I mean, but. And this aesthetic is like super cute. All right. Okay. Oh, these are the utility looking shorts. Petite utility pocket detail short, size 6. Yes, I needed something in black. But it's so cute and different. Love. I think I know how I'm gonna style this. This one is the utility shorts, right? They're like cute. It's a little. I can barely breathe, but I'm a little muffin toppy here. But yeah, ooh. Are these fake? Oh, okay, no, thank God. Okay, so yeah, these are interesting. I like these just because they give me a little bit more hip and stuff. But yeah, I like them. They're cute and they're like different. So, very cute. I approve. 8 out of 10 maybe, yeah? I do like them. They're really cute. Hold on, barely breathing. So I think these are size 6. Ooh, I need to check this. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are the checkered pants. Yes. Oh, and it's stretching. Nice pockets. Ooh, I'm so excited. So freaking excited to try this one on. And this one is also petite extra small. This is a petite tartan check tapered trouser, navy. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try these. This is freaking cute, right? Adore. I probably wear like my little Doc Marten boots now. Yeah, I wish this was just a little bit higher. Probably does I have a bigger butt now? I don't know. But yes. Oh, I love these pants. These are so freaking cute. Too cute. Cute. I love these. They're like really cute. I can't wait to wear them with my Doc Martens. All right, and then the last one is, I think these are the checkered skirts. plaid. This is plaid. This is the tartan check mini skirt red. Material stretchy, nice. Okay, let's see how this is gonna look. Can't wait. These are like super comfortable, like real comfortable. Very comfortable. Like you can just, yeah, I recommend. Love. Definitely squat proof. Yeah, I apologize for my pledge, but yeah, I like it. Alright, you guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys. Oh no, let me know what you like down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.